Next slide.
Next slide.
Last one, but after PCR only, emergency
Next
we are
slide.
doing,
Last slide.
in emergency we are doing
Previous.
CT checks,
Please.
but otherwise RT-PCR.
Actually, routine
Cell phone,
screening.
whoever is using cell phone, please keep them inside. Don't hold your cell phone. Whatever purpose they are using. Even if
Indian Radiology Organization, Radiological Society of North America, they are not recommending. Next one.
Actually, it is in the process of evolution, you can say, how to take precautions. Like initially, we thought it will spread very fast by touch. All those things now they are disappearing. It is mostly by direct transmission. So now in evolution, in OT when we are operating, it is a closed circuit. And whenever the virus comes inside the OT, that will keep on spreading there only. And in closed environment, we don't want to take a chance. That's why initially we were depending on a CT. Now we are doing with HR, just RT-PCR, we are taking up the cases. Not all the cases are being.
No, but sir said that when in emergencies the patient comes, and
emergency
RT-PCR is not
because
available.
RT-PCR evening preparation comes in the night.
Yeah. RT-PCR is not available, so we resort to a CT scan.
It will take time. So if the HRCT shows some Corat 6, 7 like that, then definitely we will hold the patient back.
So what does
if it is
Dr.
HR,
say to that?
up
There is
to
a one
Corat score 2 we are operating.
There is one pitfall or caveat to that, sir, because most of the societies who are recommending CT, who are not recommending or recommending CT, they say that CT, if done within the first 5 days, is going to be negative, even if the patient has COVID. So if the patient is
What is
subjected
your
to CT
experience?
in the first,
What is your experience?
my experience is I think
I
we
see
should
the
not do
first 5
CT.
days lot of CT is positive.
No, sir, I feel that we should not do CT. We should not rely on CT at all.
Not delaying. I am saying we are seeing the first few days when the patient is ill. The CT is done. It has come positive, like Corat 4, 5, like that. After that, people went for throat swab, then that came positive. So we cannot be very, have fixed opinion. Still, there are a lot of things are not clear about COVID.
So, but one thing I want to tell, like HIV, sir. So HIV will be there as long as we are alive. So we are taking precautions for HIV. Even COVID also may leave.
So universal precautions.
So
I don't
universal
think
precautions.
it will be like that, because we have seen all those these coronaviruses. They are coming as epidemics only now, like MERS and MERS and all those things. So I feel this will go off. It will not be like like HIV or then SBS, hepatitis C.
So, but it is one lesson, sir. So may not be this virus, maybe some other virus also. So go on getting mutated, and they are crossing the this one genus from animal to the human. They are crossing and they are coming. So here afterwards also that we are supposed to face those things also. But what I am suggesting is universal precautions is must. So N95 mask you have to wear within the OT theater, so that the transmission will be.
As somebody was mentioning, with N95 mask, oxygenation is going to go down gradually over a period of time.
No, sir, for 4
And by
hours.
repeated hand washing, already your usually explained what are the pitfalls in that.
No, repeated hand.
So, see, why India death rate is less and why Indians survive better? Because of our innate immunity.
Yes, that is definitely.
Why it is not there in the South African countries? Why it was not rampant in the what is that in Mumbai? Dharavi. Why it is not? Because our innate immunity.
Definitely.
Now once we follow all this, we will become like Russians and we will suffer more. That's what I feel.
No, sir. OT means we cannot avoid even emergency. but precautions is not.
See, in operation theaters, in the patient contact, we should take precautions.
Take precautions
Not in
and
the general public when we go, it becomes very, very difficult.
even the whatever we'll take it away and we'll dispose there
Yeah.
only. And for respiratory precaution, we have to wear a mask. Like that, otherwise the symptomatic cases sometimes may not be able to do that.
Correct.
Sir, if you don't mind, we can this to last, because I think medicine, role of medicine is much more important than.
So we will now move to the ES, but whether the inflammation, the cytokine storm, stimulated by the virus is going to be blocked or influenced in any manner by the steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs is what we need to find out. So with that, I would like to invite the medicine PG who has prepared the efficacy of steroids.
Sir, we would like to start with the drug which created a boom was hydroxychloroquine.
Okay, fine.
I will invite Dr. Ashmita.
They are prepared on each drug,
Yes, on each and every drug they have prepared.
evidence based.
Good afternoon, one and all. Actually, the 8 clinical trials were done till now based on the steroids, but no evidence is shown that it's protective in case of COVID-19 patients. But mostly it is effective in COVID-19 patients who were severely ill patients, like who were ended up in ARDS and who were on mechanical ventilation. And because of this, who are with comorbidities like diabetes, the corticosteroids will induce the hypoglycemia. So it is not recommended in the patients with diabetes. And the studies were showing that it's not so beneficial in overall.
Yeah. So tell us something more about the studies, like how many patients, particularly the one in NEGM which influenced a lot of people to start using steroids. Of course, they also did it in the.
94 patients. It was a randomized control study, out of which
You're talking about the one which got into NEGM. Okay. And these 7,000 patients were for one country or different places?
so it is conducted in 8 countries actually. This was done. Out of which 2,104 were treated with dexamethasone, 6 mg daily once for 8 to 10